staying with Ackman and another one of his bets. In 2011, he staged a boardroom coup at Canadian Pacific Railway. He is now getting ready to cash in. Ackman plans to sell stock for the first time since snatching up shares and reaping the gains of his turnaround plan. The stock has tripled since Ackman took a stake in Canadian Pacific back, as we mentioned, 2010. He'd sell 29% of his stake, or 7 million shares. Other big names to follow: Michael Dell taking a pay cut, not a huge surprise, but the computer entrepreneur who was at the center of a bitter fight over his company's future saw his pay slashed by almost 14% to $14 million. Now, this is after a decline in the company's financial performance, discussions of it being taken private. The slump, of course, is behind the CEO's decision to try to take the company private along with Silver Lake in a $24 billion leverage buyout. Shareholder vote coming your way July 18th. And then there are these competing bids from Silver Lake, which has partnered with founder Michael Dell on one side and Carl Icahn, very famously, on the other. Well, from hedge funds to private equity, Carlyle is losing one of its biggest and oldest shareholders. The California Public Retirement System, known as CalPERS, is exiting its more than 4% stake in the PE giants. This may not come as a big surprise to Carlyle. CalPERS unloaded nearly a quarter of its stake in competitor Apollo just last month. In a statement out today, Carlyle said, quote, "CalPERS has been a substantial investor in Carlyle Funds since 1996. After the sale of the common units, Carlyle will continue to manage a significant amount of the limited partnership investments for CalPERS."